Hi, I'm Kathy. I'm from Real Williams, the can lady, here to give you a warning about coronavirus. Oh, why? Looking out across the nighttime, coronavirus is everywhere. Hear a voice, check my window. It's trying to get inside. Keep me 6 feet from all people. 4 walls will hold me tonight. If this town is still infected, then let me stay inside. If they say why? Tell them it's coronavirus. Why? Is it trying to get me? If they say why? Tell them it's coronavirus. Why? Is it trying to get me? When I go out, I keep my mask on. Coronavirus is everywhere. I cover my mouth and I keep on washing my hands, face, and hair. If they say why? Tell them it's coronavirus. Why? Is it trying to get me? If they say why? Tell them that it's COVID-19. Why? Is it trying to get me? I want to be virus free. Virus, please go away. Virus, please go away. Let that be a warning. Virus is still here. Even though they're giving out vaccines, you still need to cover your mouth, wash your hands, your face, and your hair. Keep social distancing, 6 feet. Outdoor dining. I'm out of here.